So in the previous subtask, we had taken input, and now we're going to integrate both the input and the generate password function together to get our final project. So let's look at the code. So the only change we have is in the generate password function. So coming to the generate password function, we'll check if length is less than 3. Then we're going to print out an error message with less than 3. This is because we can only have a password minimum length as 3, because we need one letter, either one special character or not, or either one use number or not. That's why our minimum length should be 3. That is, in the worst case, we should be able to print a letter, a number, and a special character. And now we're going to dynamically allocate memory for our password variable. And we're going to set a random number using srand time null. Now first we're going to choose a random letter from the character string using this particular line, assign it to the first element of the password array. And after that we're going to generate up until length -2, because if you notice, as I explained previously, that the total number of letters a password can have is length -2, after which the user should have option whether or not they want to put numbers or special characters. So after we generate up until length -2 using this for loop, then we're going to check whether or not use number is true or false. That is, if use number is true, then we're going to generate one particular number in the password using this line. And if use number is false, then we're just going to print out one more letter. And we're going to do the same thing for special characters. After checking whether or not it's 0 or 1, we're going to either print out a special character, we're going to either add a special character, or we're going to add a letter. After that, we're going to add the terminating character, that is \0, and then we're going to return password back to the main function. And the main function is the same as the previous subtask. Let's just run this code once. So let me give length as 5, and let me give yes to both. So you can see I've generated my password. Let's just submit this code once. So you've passed all 4 test cases. So that's it for our password generator project. And this project was part of our course Projects for Beginners in C, in which we have 6 different C projects from which beginners can get familiar with C. And if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe head over to CodeChef and try this project out yourself, or any other course which might interest you. And if you're watching this on CodeChef, great job diving into the solution. Move on to the next problem. Thank you.